This is Tim's B9 robot build. I'm down in the dungeon, the laboratory. I don't know that Nick Mopagano, I hope that's how you say your last name, but if you see this video, this might be something for you because you do fantastic on your, that Guy Williams, man. I look at that every couple of days, man. I think you did fantastic on that. Well, all your sculptures. But this is called Plasti Dip 2. And what it is, it's a trollable plastic. And it comes in two parts. That's 2. And this is part A. And this is part 2 right here. And it's pretty, it looks like if you went and bought fiberglass resin from the auto body store and mixed it in with a little few drops. But this stuff here, it's actually a liquid too. You mix equal parts, and then this is the mold release. So a guy like Nick, if he was doing his sculptures, I don't know, you could see back there the actual original mold they had, and then they filled it and popped it out like that. But you can actually do, you just troll it on like this, vertical. You don't have to lay it down or nothing, but it's pretty thick. This is pretty thick. And so what I did was I put it in a little mixing cup. And I first mixed it with this piece of acrylic rod I had cut when I did Gregory's ribs for his collar. And I still got more that I'm sending him. But yeah, we're trying this product here, and when it's done, it's real lightweight. I mean, you can make it thin, thick, whatever, how much mass you want. Well, let's go over here and I'll show you. Sorry about the jiggle. But what it is I originally made this out of clay, but it broke in half because I just did like that thin. And when I was dumb and I was banging this, popping that one out, and it broke in a bunch of pieces. So I went out and got plaster of Paris and just said, the heck with it, dumped it in there. But I didn't know plaster of Paris heated or mixed with water gets super hot. This bowl was so hot to the touch. But anyway, then I had a pocket down there, an air pocket. So when I popped it out, a little hole right in there. So what I did was put a little cardboard in there in hopes that all this resin sinks down a little bit, and then when I pop it, I can actually sand it even so it's uniform. Well, my idea is, this is a trial. You know, that's why it's all boogered up right there. I don't care. I just want to see if it's feasible and how strong and lightweight it is. Because what I'm going to do is do 2 perfect halves, then plasti paste to it, you know, and then when it's done, sand them both perfectly in halves, and then fuse them together with like a fiberglass resin, you know, fuse them together. Or what I could do is like auto body panel adhesive that they put fiberglass Corvettes together. That's what I might use, because once I put it on there, man, you know, it's a Corvette, high dollar. They can't afford the panels being loose, and you can't weld the fiberglass, right? So that's what I'm thinking I'm going to do. Or just plain real good heavy adhesive. I don't know yet, but we'll find out. But it says mixing time is 10 minutes before you have to use it. And I took about 3.5, 4 minutes mixing it. So, but what I want to do is it says demold time is 90 minutes. I'm going to let this go for quite a while. You're looking at maybe a couple hours. I want that thing solid. But then when I go to pop it out, we'll see how the front looks, if it has all the characteristics and all the fine lines of the wrist. That's what we're hoping for, because then it'll be super strong and very, what do you call it, very durable. I mean, you're looking at some strong plastic. And I saw this online, you know, Plasti-Paste 2. I was going to get the Plasti-Paste 1, but then I read it, you know, the form on it, and it says it's not paintable. This version is, so I went with this. But this is what they use in the Hollywood, man. You know, and all of that is pretty cool. Here you see the guy right there making a perfect cast like that, Nick Mapagano. Man, that guy is fantastic with his sculptures. That Guy Williams, man, he almost looks like he's standing there. That guy's super talented. Okay, talk to you guys later. Bye.